We're Sales Tax and More. Today, we'd like to discuss some important court cases related to sales tax. These are 5 of the important U.S. Supreme Court cases we like to discuss when it comes to sales tax. Those include National Geographic versus the Board of Equalization, Complete Auto Transit versus Brady, Scripto versus Carson, Tyler Pipe versus the Washington Department of Revenue, and of course, South Dakota versus Wayfair. Here is a brief summary of these cases. The first, National Geographic versus the Board of Equalization, is a 1977 case out of California. The takeaway from this case is that taxable activities do not have to relate to nexus-creating activities. Next is Complete Auto Transit versus Brady. This case says a state can tax interstate commerce as long as it meets a 4-pronged test. The test is as follows. 1. Is there a substantial nexus? 2. Is it fairly apportioned? 3. Is it discriminatory? And 4. Is it fairly related to the services provided by the taxing jurisdiction? The next case is Scripto versus Carson. The important takeaway from this 1960 case is that the difference between an employee and an independent contractor is without constitutional significance. So, independent contractors can create nexus on your behalf within a state. The next case is Tyler Pipe versus the Washington Department of Revenue. This case, which was decided in 1987, says that third parties who establish or maintain a market can create nexus. And finally, the 2018 Supreme Court case, South Dakota versus Wayfair. This case overturned all of the previous cases, including Quill Corp versus North Dakota and National Bella Hess versus the Department of Revenue, in which the Supreme Court decided physical presence was required to create nexus. This led to the introduction of the state's economic nexus thresholds. These 5 court cases are very important and have shaped the way states tax businesses today. If you require assistance with your sales tax compliance, visit our website, salestaxandmore.com. And thanks for watching.